If you've ever tried making precise cuts with a handsaw or even a circular saw, you know how frustrating and time-consuming it can be. A quality MITER saw eliminates the guesswork, providing clean, accurate cuts in a fraction of the time. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, building furniture, or working on professional projects, having the right MITER saw can make all the difference. But with so many options on the market, choosing the best one can feel overwhelming. That's why we've rounded up some of the top MITER saws, breaking down their features and benefits to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. If any of these models catch your eye, all the links are in the description for more details. Let's dive in. Starting with a budget-friendly option, the Dovaman DMS01A is a compact and lightweight MITER saw, ideal for beginners or occasional users. It features a 10-inch blade powered by a 15-amp motor, capable of handling wood and even some light metals. The adjustable MITER and bevel angles provide flexibility, and its small footprint makes it easy to store and transport. It also comes with a built-in laser guide, which helps improve accuracy for beginners. Users appreciate its versatility, though some suggest that upgrading the included blade can result in smoother cuts. If you're new to woodworking or need a saw for small projects, this is a solid entry-level choice. For those seeking reliability and affordability, the Metabo HPT C10FCGS is a noteworthy option available in the US. This 10-inch compound MITER saw features a 15-amp motor that delivers 5,000 RPM, making it a great choice for trim, framing, and general carpentry. Its 0 to 52-degree MITER angle range provides flexibility for a variety of cuts, while its 0 to 45-degree bevel range allows for precise beveling. Weighing just 24 pounds, it's one of the most portable MITER saws in its class, which is why I personally own this model. It's reliable, accurate, and easy to move around. Some users note that it doesn't include a laser guide, but with a little practice, the cuts are consistently precise. If you need a lightweight and dependable saw for home projects, this one is a fantastic option. A standout option for versatility is the Evolution Power Tools R210CMS. Unlike most MITER saws, this one is designed to cut not just wood but also plastic and metal, all with the same blade. Its 8.5-inch tungsten carbide-tipped blade, paired with a powerful 1200-watt motor, makes it an excellent choice for mixed material projects. It has a 0 to 45-degree bevel range and a maximum cutting capacity of 8.25 inches at 90 degrees. Users love its ability to switch between materials without needing to change the blade, though some mention that its dust collection system could be better. If you need a saw that goes beyond wood cutting, this one is worth considering. For those in need of a high-performance saw, the DeWalt DWS780 is one of the best professional-grade MITER saws available in the US. This 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound saw features a powerful 15-amp motor and an XPS cross-cut positioning system that provides an ultra-precise cut line. The sliding mechanism allows for a maximum cross-cut capacity of 16 inches at 90 degrees, making it perfect for large materials. Many professionals swear by its accuracy and durability, and one of its standout features is the LED cut line system, which requires no calibration. However, it is on the heavier side at 56 pounds, so if portability is a concern, consider that factor. If you need a saw that delivers professional-level performance, this one is hard to beat. Another top-tier option is the Bosch GCM12SD. This 12-inch dual-bevel sliding compound saw features Bosch's unique axial glide system. Unlike traditional rails, this system uses a space-saving articulated arm that allows for ultra-smooth cutting while taking up less space in your workshop. It has a 14-inch horizontal cutting capacity and a 6.5-inch vertical capacity, making it great for crown molding. With its powerful motor, precise adjustments, and excellent dust collection, it's a favorite among professionals. Many users praise its superior build quality and cutting precision, though some note that it's a bit of an investment. If you want top-tier performance with an innovative design, this is a great pick. For those who want a well-balanced saw that's great for home renovations, the Skill MS6305-00 is a fantastic mid-range option available in the US. This 10-inch dual-bevel sliding MITER saw comes with a 15-amp motor and an LED shadow line for improved cut alignment. Its sliding rail system provides a maximum cross-cut capacity of 12 inches at 90 degrees, making it a great choice for cutting wide boards. Many users appreciate its precision and ease of use, though a few mention that the sliding rails could be smoother. The dust collection system is also decent for the price. Overall, it's a great choice for home projects and woodworking enthusiasts. Shifting to a solid European option, the Einhell TCSM2131/1 is a versatile 10-inch sliding miter saw that offers excellent performance at an affordable price. It includes an integrated laser guide for precision cutting and a sturdy base for stability. The 1800-watt motor ensures plenty of power for cutting wood, laminate, and even light metal. It features a maximum crosscut capacity of 12 inches at 90 degrees. Users in Europe love its reliability, though some say the included blade isn't the best for fine woodworking. If you're in Europe and looking for a budget-friendly miter saw with great features, this one stands out. For those who prefer a cordless saw, the Craftsman Vi-20 is an excellent choice available in the US. This battery-powered 7 1/4 inch sliding miter saw offers ultimate portability, making it perfect for outdoor projects or job sites without easy access to power. It runs on the Craftsman V20 battery system, so if you already own other Craftsman tools, it's a great addition. It has a maximum cutting capacity of 8 inches at 90 degrees. Many users love the convenience of a cordless saw, but some mention that battery life can be limiting for larger projects. If mobility is your priority, this is one of the best cordless options available. Finally, for those in Europe looking for a premium miter saw, the Femi FM-TR076 is a high-quality option known for its precision and durability. This Italian-made 10-inch saw is built with a solid frame and an adjustable miter system, making it great for detailed woodworking projects. It features a laser guide for improved accuracy and a dust extraction system that helps keep the workspace clean. It's not as widely known as some of the bigger brands, but users who have tried it appreciate its smooth cutting action and reliability. If you're in Europe and want a high-end alternative, this is worth considering. Now that we've covered the best miter saws, let's help you choose the right one. If you're looking for an entry-level option, the Doverman DMS-01A is a great budget choice, while the Einhell TCSM2131/1 is an excellent affordable option in Europe. If versatility is important, the Evolution R210 CMS stands out with its ability to cut multiple materials. For mid-range performance, the Skill MS6305-00 in the US and the Einhell TCSM2131/1 in Europe provide a great balance of power and affordability. If you need professional-grade precision, the DeWalt DWS-780 and Bosch GCM12SD are top-tier choices, while the Femi FM-TR076 offers premium performance in Europe. And if portability is your main concern, the Craftsman V20 cordless saw is a fantastic choice for US buyers. When making your decision, think about your main use case. If you need something ultra-lightweight, go for the Metabo HPT C10FCGS. If you frequently cut large boards, the Bosch GCM12SD or DeWalt DWS-780 will serve you well. Those handling mixed materials should opt for the Evolution R210 CMS. If precision is key, models with laser guides like the Einhell or Femi will make a difference. No matter what, investing in the right miter saw can make your work easier and more enjoyable. Check the links in the description for more details, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy building!